the CPAC framework have direct access to our ports, which can serve as convenient conduits for regional trade promotion. And to that end, Pakistan plans to host the SCO conference on transport connectivity for regional prosperity in the last quarter of 2023. Excellencies, the SCO member states have a shared interest in ensuring peace and stability in the region, which is a precondition for economic development anywhere in the world. The hydra-headed monsterism and extremism, whether committed by individuals, societies, or states, must be fought with full vigor and conviction. Any temptation to use it as a cudgel for diplomatic point scoring be avoided under all circumstances. In all its forms and manifestations, including state terrorism, must be condemned in clear and unambiguous terms. There can be no justification for the killing of innocent people, regardless of the cause or pretext. Similarly, religious minorities should never be demonized in the pursuit of domestic political agendas. While the sacrifices made by Pakistan in fighting terrorism are without parallel, this scourge continues, unfortunately, to plague our region and remains a serious obstacle to the maintenance of peace and stability. SCO countries must take concerted and immediate actions, both in their national capacities as well as collectively, under the framework of SCO RATs, to combat the three evils of terrorism, extremism, and separatism. Excellencies, the achievement of lasting peace and security in the region is both a common concern as well as a responsibility of all honorable SCO leaders. Stability in Afghanistan is critical for achieving this common objective. The international community currently finds itself in a standstill with Afghanistan. The cascade of unmet expectations has meant that critical support needed by Afghanistan to ward off a grave humanitarian crisis, prevent an economic meltdown, and to combat terrorism has been withheld. This policy needs an urgent reset. The international community should meaningfully engage with the interim Afghan government to take the next steps. Similarly, the interim Afghan government must also take concrete measures to ensure its soil is not used for terrorism by any. A peaceful and stable Afghanistan will not only bring economic dividends to the Afghan people, but would also unlock the true economic potential of the SCO.